In this video, I will show you how to replace the headlight on the passenger side of the 2001 Honda Odyssey minivan. If you like these videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, click the bell icon. The tools you need for this project are new rubber gloves or clean, oil-free fabric gloves. Sylvania has a lookup table for every car manufactured in the United States on their website. Sylvania lamps are the lamps that we normally use in our vehicles. I also tend to install the brightest lamp available for urban areas. If you're an older driver like me, I suggest installing the brightest lamp. It's better than a stock lamp that came with your car or truck. It's also best for seeing further down the road. These are the lamps my dad used, and they're also the lamps that we used in the military. Now back to the installation. This job should take no more than 30 minutes for both lamps. After you've opened up the hood, inspect the area. Disconnect the connector from the rear of the lamp, then remove the waterproof shielding. You should be able to see the rear end and the connection tabs for the lamp. A bracket is holding the lamp in. Push the bracket in and it will unlock. Once it unlocks, swing the bracket out of the way. You should be able to remove the lamp by pulling it straight out of the fixture. As you remove the new lamp from the packaging, make sure you don't touch the lamp with your bare hands. If you accidentally touch the lamp, use rubbing alcohol to clean the lamp. The reason is the oils on your hand will create hot spots on the lamp. These hot spots will shorten the life of the lamp. That is why I suggest you wear gloves while doing this procedure. Installing a lamp is exactly opposite from the way you removed it. Insert the new lamp into the fixture. Swing the bracket back into place and push it in to lock the bracket. Replace the rubber splash guard and the electrical connector. In this video, we demonstrated how you can replace the headlight on the passenger side of the Honda Odyssey. If you like these videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, click the bell icon. Have a great day.